Welcome to Little Chess Champs, where learning chess is an adventure. Today we will explore why learn these squares. Imagine each square on the chessboard is like spot on a treasure in the map. Knowing names like E4, D5 or H8 helps you follow the game better and plan the cool moves. The more you know about each square, the easier it is to make winning moves. You know the real chessboard don't have name on each square. There is no name on each square. Players remember each square by its letter and number. See the board. White always plays up the board and black plays down the board. Try practicing from white side first, then go to black side. Here are some tips to learn the board fast. Start from white side and say the square out loud from A1 to H1 all the way up to the top. Picture each square in your head like a map. Challenge yourself. Name square on the empty board or in your head until you know each one like a pro. For example, choose here, check what is the square of the name. So this is D 6th Street D6. D6 is the name of the square. When you know the board by heart, you can move faster and play with confidence. Every time you play, try to spot and name the square as you go. Soon it will be super easy. Keep practicing and soon you will be a chess master. Thanks for watching Little Chess Champs. Remember, the more you know, the better you will play. Happy learning and see you next time.